Fix Wi-Fi speed too slow on iPhone. So here is a step-by-step guide to fix Wi-Fi speed too slow on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, restart everything. Restart your iPhone, press and hold the power button, slide to power off, wait 10 seconds, turn it back on. Then restart your Wi-Fi router, unplug it for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Once done so, simply tap on the Settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Inside Settings app, all you have to do is tap on the Wi-Fi at the top. And once you tap on the Wi-Fi, tap on the Wi-Fi you are connected with, then tap on the Forget Network option available there and confirm the forget and re-enter the password again. After done so, go back to the settings and this time tap on the general option available there. Then tap on the software update and update your software to the latest version. Then, once you install the latest update, if available, all you have to do is go back to the settings general again. Once inside the general, scroll down till the bottom, tap on the transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on the reset, then tap on the reset all settings, or you can just reset the network settings of the iPhone. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.